Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, welcome back with me Difa. You know, there was this one unforgettable moment that I have while attending Korean class a couple semesters ago. As usual, we were supposed to learn Korean in class, but at that day, our teacher came in with ingredients and tools, and she said, 오늘은 달고나를 만들어 봅시다. So we made it.
Dari kamera kok kayak nasi ya?
Iya goreng
nasi goreng.
한국에서 사갖고 왔어. 이거 해 먹으려고.
You might be wondering, especially if you're not familiar with Korean culture, what is dalgona? Well, dalgona is basically a sugar candy. It is one of the most well-known Korean street food because it's sweet and easy to make. In Indonesia, we have similar street food candy looks like this, and it's called gulali tarik. Or you might also think, wait, is it the same as the infamous Dalgona coffee? As you can probably already tell, the coffee is named after the candy because of the similar color. But for the ingredients, we will only need two ingredients. They are sugar and baking soda. However, the professional tools to make dalgona are not easy to find, unfortunately. But I watched a video by Pavlova which inspired me to make dalgona by using tools that we already have in the kitchen. So let's just get right into it.
To make dalgona, you will need sugar, baking soda, any tool that does not melt easily and has flat surface to press the dalgona. I will use the bottom surface of this metal bowl. Ladle or spoon used for soup. I recommend you to use a thick one so it won't get burnt easily. Ice cream sticks or any kind of sticks. And cookie molds or any decorating tools to create pattern. Before we start, coat the surface of the tray with oil so it won't be too sticky when we pull the dalgona off of the tray. Same goes with the bowl. Don't forget to avoid touching the ladle directly. You can wear gloves or simply wrap it with a piece of thick fabric. Turn the stove on and place the ladle filled with sugar on top of the fire. Then stir it around by using the stick. As the sugar starts to melt, keep stirring. As we can see, the sugar has melted to this liquid caramel, and what we want to do next is to add a little bit of baking soda. I actually added too much here, so I suggest you to add less than the amount of what I just put in. Stir it again and you'll see the color starts to appear lighter and the consistency starts to thicken. That's when we know it's ready. Pour the sugar out onto the tray. Evenly spread it out, but don't take too much time since we don't want the mix to harden before we even finish. Put in the stick on the edge to make it look similar to a candy and let it sit for a moment. And then press it down so it flattens. You can decorate your dalgona however you desire. Since I don't have a suitable tool for my small dalgona, I decided to cut the cookie mold and fold it to create a flower pattern. But apparently it looks more like a cloud. Since I feel unsatisfied with this one, I decided to make another one. And now it's finished.
So, what do you think? It's easy, right? You can try this, but be careful not to burn your hands. I would like to thank all of you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.